So this is the big event. It's a one-day volunteer project. So we have UND students, faculty, and staff form groups. They go out into the greater Grand Forks area and just do like general yard cleanup. Students have a really big impact on the people that they go to. They try to get their name, and then those students also make those connections. They like find one job site that they love and they request it every single year.
We're helping Rita. This is my second year doing it. We were here last year, and then she actually called us back when school started this year so we could come and help her out again.
These students have come back a few years in a row. They're excellent, they're awesome. I requested them to come back, and here they are, driving up in the pickup, loaded with people to help. They're great. They do such a nice job.